Hello all from FunTBH. As I said, I will come soon with new video. So here it is, Iqos device used by smokers to smoke Iqos cigarettes. Today video will be about this device and safety of this device, but not in direction how safe it is to smoke Iqos cigarettes. You can find a lot of articles on internet about it, and I'm not expert in that field. However, I can talk and can say how it's safe to use this device, to carry it in your pocket, to leave it at home when charging without your attention, to keep it in your mouth when smoking close to your face and eyes. I will answer those questions today in my video, so stay with me and watch it till end, please. It is quite easy to open it by removing both covers from both sides with flat screwdriver, as you can see, and then we can see inside. First look inside is it looks very nice, very protected, and what is most important, battery looks very protected. But it's not only about how battery is covered and placed inside device, it is also about how it's charged and where is protection for charging located. Can actually battery get shorted by component on the charging protection? And as you can see, this battery is very well covered. At first look, it looks very safe. All protection for this battery is located on the battery under same protection cover which is used to protect battery as well. So let's see that protection board. And here it is, battery protection board. From these photos, and you can see it's simple. This board providing short circuit protection and overcharge and discharge protection, and location of elements and size of traces on the board clearly showing one important thing. If battery gets shorted on any part of this board, it will burn traces before battery catch fire, and that is what is important to know. And then we have main board located in main body of device. Not much to say about it. It provides power for both charging main battery and battery inside removable part, which is used for smoking cigarettes. Later we're going to see how it's built. Actually, main board is not providing any protection for anything inside of this device, so both protection should be located near the batteries. We're going to see a removable unit for a unit used to smoke cigarettes very soon, and we have already seen a protection unit for main battery. And here we have a removable unit used for smoking Iqos cigarettes. Unit which you bringing to your mouth, keeping them close to your face and eyes. So here it's very interesting to know what you're using and do you placing you in any kind of danger by using this unit. However, disassembling this unit was very hard. Even blood was involved in that. After a lot of work, I managed to disassemble and take out battery and the board from the part you keep in your mouth when you're smoking these Iqos cigarettes. Here is overview of the board under microscope. Even I managed to damage a little board, some elements on the board. As well, I managed to damage battery during disassemble and short battery during disassemble, and nothing of that helped me to make battery on fire or anything similar. So at the end, we can say this device is safe for usage. There is very low chance that something bad can happen to you, even if you think that when you're smoking you practically keeping battery inside of your mouth. But all in all, device is pretty much safe for usage, and I never heard that someone got injured by this device or whatever. So if you are a smoker and you're going to use this, feel safe while you using it. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with next video.